How can word mail merge address formatting be fixed? Imagine sending out hundreds of letters and noticing some addresses look off or don't match the format you want. That can be frustrating, but fixing address formatting in wordmail merge is easier than you think. Let's walk through how to get your addresses looking perfect every time. First, when you connect Word to an Excel spreadsheet or other data source, Word pulls raw data. This means numbers, dates, or postal codes might not appear as you want. To fix this, you can use field codes with special formatting instructions called numeric switches. For example, if your postal codes are losing leading zeros, you can edit the merge field to treat that data as text. To do this, select the merge field, press Shift and F9 to see the code, then add a switch like add 0 to keep the zeros. Press F9 to update, and your postal code will stay intact. For numbers or currency, you can add switches like hash, $0, to show dollar signs and to decimal places. When editing the field code, always update the field by pressing F9 and preview your merge to see the changes. Dates can be formatted with switches like @MD_YYYY to show November 3, 2025. If your data source is Excel, make sure your cells are formatted correctly before merging. Format numbers as currency or postal codes as text in Excel to prevent losing formatting. Connecting Word to Excel using dynamic data exchange can also help preserve formatting during the merge. This option is found in the data source setup and keeps the data looking the way it should. If you're using Word's address block feature, it's quick but limited. For precise control, insert individual address fields like first name, last name, and postal code separately, then format each as needed. Always prepare your Excel data carefully. Use the text function in Excel if you need to create formatted versions of numbers or dates. After making changes, update your fields and preview the results. This way, your addresses will look professional and consistent. Remember, the key is to control how Word interprets and displays your data. Using field codes with switches, connecting via DDE, and preparing your source data properly will fix most address formatting issues. With a little practice, your mail merge documents will look polished and correct every time.